judges, honorable timekeeper, my respected teacher, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. My name is Fatima Biharuna. It is my pleasure to stop at Guamet to support the motion, which says education is better than money. With the following reason of mine: firstly, without education, this world will not be in peace. Secondly, without education, this school will not be established. Thirdly, education is a source of good life, and also education helps me to know our value, dignity, prosperity, security, respect to one another. Successful business, justice, good leadership. Malam Bashir, with due respect, let me ask you a question, please. Why did you choose to become a teacher but not a businessman? My fellow students, why are we here at school? We are here to learn, to know, to understand, to have a very good future through education. Education is not important. Why are we here? Why can't you go back to home? Why can't you go and sell our also? Do you think we will have No, you will never be and you will not be at all. Mr. Chairman, I know even now you are happy by seeing your students taken in front of you, stolen to the public, often importance of education. Madam Muhammad, will you be happy to see your brother not coming to school for learning? Even President Muhammad Bahara has said our government will give more current to education sector. We have Ministry of Education, but we don't have Ministry of Money. There is one program which says, "Ilimi hasken rayuwa, kowa ya rasa ilimi ya rasa komai." I hope with this little fun of mine, you will all come to my side and agree with me that education is
Okay, sit down.
We are now proceed to JSS 2A to call the first participant to come and fire us with his point of evidence.